Hello guys! Today we will make Buko Pandan. Okay guys, I will show you all the ingredients. We will use jelly powder and young coconut, shredded young coconut, and condensed milk and nestle cream. We need 3 cans of nestle cream. Okay, and I only use 1 can of condensed milk. This is all the ingredients that we need. Okay guys, and we need also water. I need 10 cups of water for this one to cook. Okay, 10 cups of water. Okay, let's go and cook now. Okay guys, let's cook the jelly powder. Let's mix it. Let's just use low heat, okay, and then let's start stir. There you go. Don't stop stirring. Just do it in, let's cook in low heat fire. Okay. If you think that it's getting thicker, or you think that the jelly is already dissolved, let's just stir it for 10 minutes and then we will transfer it in a container and leave it there for a while before we cut it. Or either you can put inside the fridge to cool down. Okay guys, it's already dissolved, so now we will transfer in a container. Okay guys, let's pour in a container. Or you can put, after it's cooled down, you can put in the fridge to make it thicker, or just leave it here for a while. So guys, eto na yung ating jelly natin. So what we're gonna do now, we will cut in a small pieces. Okay guys, I can use a small. What you're gonna do? We need a bowl to put all. See guys, we will cut in small pieces. Okay. Like that. Okay. There. I'll cut in half like that and like this. Okay. You can cut here too. Both ways, okay? Then cut like this. There. Then they're all put together. There you go. Now we start mixing. Okay guys? Then we can add now the nestle cream. Okay? Let's try 2 first, okay? See how creamy is it before we put the third one, okay? We can mix first. How creamy is it before we will add the third one. If you think that it's too creamy already, then you don't need to put the other one, but we'll see first, okay? Okay, I guess we're gonna add one more. This is the third one, okay? Nestle cream number 3. Okay. Yum yum. Yummy yummy. Okay. And the next one is the condensed milk. I just put one half of the can first, okay? Because I don't want too sweet, guys. Then we can add the shredded coconut. Yummy, yummy coconut. That's why they called it Buko Pandan, because of the coconut. Okay guys, I'll check if it's too sweet or not, if I can put all the milk, the condensed milk. I'll check first. Yeah, if you don't really like sweet, it's good enough. But I will put all. Okay, guys? Okay, I'll add all. Yummy! There, guys. It's ready for New Year's. Guys, it's New Year's Day tomorrow. I'm just preparing. So, there you go. This is my Buko Pandan. I hope you like my video, guys. Guys, thank you for watching. And please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe my channel. And also don't forget to click the notification bell down below para ma-notify kayo sa susunod kong video. Thank you again and see you next time. Bye for now. Happy New Year, guys. Love you all.